Do you want to share Instagram post to WhatsApp status? You can share Insta picture to WhatsApp status with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To share an Instagram post to your WhatsApp status, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, find the post you want to share. Now, tap on the share icon below the post. A pop-up menu will appear. From the menu that appears, tap on WhatsApp status. Now, the Instagram post will open in your WhatsApp status editing screen. Here you can further edit, add text, emojis, and change the picture size. Once ready to post as a status, tap the send icon at the bottom right to post it. Now, the Instagram post is shared in your WhatsApp status.